okay? And you just right click and put the primary key. That's it. Okay, that's too easy, of course. Alright, so now you save this, okay? Your table should have a primary key. Well, the reason is probably I have a duplicated record in there. Okay? I need to delete the primary key. Let me delete the record in there. Alright, so here, let's see if I have there. Save it. Now I have a primary key. Fine. Now, let's say if I don't know what the primary keys look like and I don't know how to create the code of the primary key. Okay? What you can do, if you right click on the table and it says a script, what is it saying there is telling me create from the table the script. I shouldn't show you this now, but there you go. So it's actually do the reverse order of my table. Okay? I have a table and I want to see how the code is being created based on the script. Okay? Using Apollo table. Okay? Set the answer as no, so that's SQL the configuration. Okay? Also use it identify, put it back, padding. Create the table. That's the table I created. Create the constraint, primary key name. That's the primary key as a cluster. Okay, and with the pad index, create index based on my primary key. Okay.
What do you mean by the padding?
What does it mean? The padding is actually putting an order on the table. Okay. So, and the pad index. Okay, so he says don't use index because I can't create my own index. Okay, the statistics off. I can't generate statistics on the table. Okay. Remember, SQL is very powerful. In terms of if I have a lot of data driving into tables in and out, okay? If I trigger the statistics of my table, I can find how many data or how many data and who is writing the most on my table. Okay? That's what you do when you do analysis on outside the world for a database. Say, for example, your company say my database is running very slow. Okay? Now, you have to use a process of elimination. Okay? That really doesn't mean anything because if you have a network hog, a bottleneck in your network, everything is going to get slow. So the first thing to do is to eliminate that is not a network issue. So if it's not a network issue, then whatever the person is asking, say yes, it's the database issue. So now you need to do statistics and not tables. Who's writing to the table? Most of the time, 99% of the time, is an application. Okay? And who in your department is writing that? If you have this broadcast to the whole organization, I don't know, exaggerating, 200 people writing to that table at the same time. Okay? What this